Chengdu Phoenix Mountain Sports Park is located in Dujiangyan area, Jingniu District, Chengdu City, Sichuan Province. It has a total lot area of around 43.67 hectares. It's composed of a first stadium in China that accommodates 60,000 spectators exclusively for football, 18,000 seat complex stadium, a green landscape R1, and commercial buildings. The total gross floor area is around 456,000 square meters, and its total construction volume reaches 4.49 billion RMB. After this project is completed, it will become a model of international modern sports art in the urban park. The sports park will be able to hold international sports events and host the 2021 Summer University as well as the Asian Football Confederation Asia Cup in the coming year of 2023. They use Revit to realize the creation of BIM models of various measures of the building and deepen the prefabricated components in detail and export to the processing factory. And they also made secondary development on Revit to do the research and develop various utility models tools to assist on the construction site.